So with the LaserPecker LP1 Pro in the basic edition, you get the tripod stand. So this is a 1/2 watt blue diode style laser, and it's a great entry-level engraver. For the LP1 Pro model, you'll use the tripod, and that needs to be set so it's 200 millimeters above your surface, and this is great for engraving paper, cardboard, wood, or even leather. This wouldn't be the right choice for engraving stone, metal, or glass, but for a small laser, it's surprisingly capable. The app is really user-friendly, and it'll easily let you create text, clip art images, or just upload your own image. And I love the effects you can get on wood or even on chrome tan leather. The cut quality on the LP1 is quite good, comparable to the LP2. It's just a little bit slower, and you'll get crisp edges and reproduce those detailed images. So if you're looking for an entry-level engraver that'll get you started on projects in paper, cardboard, wood, and even leather, I think this LP1 would make a great choice.